I'm going to apply for formula. AX plus BY plus C equals 0. Good, okay? Constant is missing there, then I equalize it to 0. So A, that's why A is equal 1. A is equal 0, B equal 1. Okay, why do we say B equal 1? Why? What do we look at? We look at tell others this. Okay, you understand? We look at the coefficient of y present here. So coefficient of y is 1. This is the coefficient of b is coefficient of y. Okay. X here in this question of the straight line there is no x. So it means its coefficient is 0. That's why a equal 0. Okay? Now how about C? C equal 0. Okay, now can I now apply the formula? Yes. So which one? I look for image. So formula x prime equal x minus 2a ax b1 plus c over a square plus c b square. Next, y prime equal y minus 2b. Yes. Factor of ax b1 c over a square plus c b square. Next, replacement. What will be x? X will be equal to 1. And y will be equal to 3. Okay, good. Very nice. So next. So let us do some replacement. Here. Okay, let us do it. So I'm doing it here. So x prime equal. So you told me x is equal 1 minus 2 times a 0. Good. So plus is it times, so bracket here. No? Out of it. Okay, I'm looking for this one. Okay? Okay, let us do it. Okay? Let me do it. Help you do this one. Yes. And then can one help me quickly find it? Yes? 2 times 0. Yes? 0 times 1. X is equal 1. Plus 1 times 1. B1 times 3. 3 because what? 1. Okay? Yes? Plus 0. C is equal 0 over 0 squared plus 1 squared. Okay, is that for all for x? X prime. Okay, now for y prime, we use also y equals 3 and the x equal 1 and the coefficient a, b, c given here, okay? Yes, okay. That is y prime equals 3 minus, now I have 2 times b, b equal 1 times a is equal 0 times 1 plus, now 1 is it times 3 plus 0. Now divided by 0 squared plus 1 squared. Okay. So what do I have? X prime is equal. Okay. It is, as you can see, it is 1 minus. So this one is 0 times this factor. So it will be reduced to 0 times the number will be 0. Okay. So this will be 0. Okay. The denominator will be 1. Okay. That is 0 squared 0. So plus 1 squared 1. Okay. 1. So y prime equal. This will be 3. 3 is it? Minus. Now I take 2 times 1 because 1 b. So 2 times 1 factor of. So this 0 plus 1, 0, 1 plus 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Now 3 plus 0 over 0 plus 1. So okay, this is 1. Okay, next. So what will it be? X prime? 1. So 1 minus 0. So what will it be for y prime? First I have 3 minus. Okay, give me the coefficient here. Second term here. 1, yes. 6 over 1. Give me this 1 times 3. Yes, 6 over 1. So result x prime equal 1, y prime minus 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Now answer, we have the image of the point M equal 1, 3, but reflection, this is reflection. Now reflection about x-axis is the point M prime, which is x prime y prime. So now we have x prime here is, you know that x prime has been found to be equal to 1 and y prime has been found to be equal to minus 3. Okay, so we have 1 minus 3. Okay, so that is one kind of reflection. There is another kind of reflection. What kind? About a point. That point is called a center. Okay, now I will give you a formula and then I give example. Okay, now that will be the that kind of reflection about a point.
Question.
Yes, question, yes?
What is the equation they use when
Yes?
they give us
Yes?
the y-axis?
Y-axis, okay. That's a good question. Do you understand the question?
Yes.
Our question is, what will we do when we ask to find image of this point about y-axis? So what do we need to find? Equation of what? Of y-axis. What is the equation of y-axis? X equals 0 because it is a vertical axis. Y-axis is a vertical axis and its equation is just x equals 0. In that case, what will be A, what will be B, what will be C? So we have x equals 0, then A will be equal 1, B will be equal to 0. And what about C? 0, 2. Okay? Yeah, okay. Let us take reflection here about a center, a point. That point is center of reflection. So what do we have? So we have a point. So say you have coordinate x and y, and you want its image. Okay? Its image. So we choose endpoint. I can choose endpoint and I call it C, a center, x is C, y is C. Now, what is it? Reflection. Do you remember reflection about the axis? What will be the image? Someone can help me. Someone help me to tell me if I have a point here and I have a fixed point here, C, what I will call a center, where will I found image of point M? This side, okay? Where exactly this side, yes, but where everywhere here? No. On the same direction? Yes, on the same direction, please, a straight line, a good straight line. Okay? Now, on this direction, yes, but exactly where on this direction? Or on the same line, yes? One, yes? At the same distance on the other side? Yes, okay. So now I measure this, same side, same what? Distance. I move this distance, same exactly the same. Okay? Please pay attention. You have to use your ruler. Okay? And this distance here, okay? B, let us call it B, and that distance there, let us call it A. And this distance A must be equal to distance B. Okay, distance. Okay. Distance, yes. Distance B. So now, how will I call this point? M, image. Normally I call another point M prime to say another point, which is image. Okay. So now this M prime. So if I have this vector, how can I compare it with the vector from C to M prime? Comparison. Are they in the same direction? Same direction? Yes. M prime and CM prime. Same direction? Yes. What does it mean? They are coordinate. They are coordinate. Okay. What is the factor? They have the same. What is the factor of coordinate here? 1. 1? Are you sure it is 1? No. No. So what is it? It is 2. 2. Why? Because from here to here, it is twice from here to there. Right? So in this case, what do I have to do? So this vector, I know its coordinate. So its first coordinate is x prime minus x. Good. Very nice. Is it? So this is 2, of course, times 1. This is M prime, okay? It can be M prime in here, okay? This is M prime, okay? From here to there. Okay, yes? X prime minus x is C. X prime minus x is C. Yes? Yes, next. What about this component, second component? Y prime minus y, okay? Twice y prime minus yc. Now what am I looking for? I'm looking for coordinates of the image. Can I find it? Yes, okay. Let us find it. Okay, this is the same title. We are doing the reflection for this moment. Okay, so I can solve to find x prime, y prime? Y prime, good. So I have to, and what will I do? I associate similar terms? Similar terms. Okay, I have x prime here. So second member you have 2 times x prime. Now the first member will be minus. About the point C. So for this time, let us also see example. Okay? So I can give example here. Yes? Okay. That is good. I will give an example. Just one example will be enough for us. So let us take an example. And this time we will find the image of the point. Okay, let us take just 1 and 3. No problem, it could be any point. But the reflection about for example, a center, a point. Let us take 1, 0. Okay? Yes? Yes, okay. So think about now what we are going to use. So we are going to use a formula. Now, in formula, do we have necessary given data to use in order to find? Okay, so we look for some data given. In the problem. Okay, what do we have? So one tell me, yes? Do we have a center?
Yes.
Do we have a point?
Yes.
Yes. Which point? Suppose M. So we the coordinate? 1 plus 1. Yes? 1 and 3. 1 first component, second, 3. Okay, this is like X and Y. Okay? Now we are also given the center. Okay. Call it C for example. Then this will be center. First component? First component? 1. Okay. Second? 0. Okay. This is like XC, Y, C. Okay? Now, this is what I want. Can I call it? Unknown. So what I want? So this is image. M prime. So M prime will coordinate X prime, Y prime. How can I find it? Formula. I can use formula to find M prime. Okay. Formula. So I have. So I write down the same, no problem. So 2x is C minus C minus X. Good. Then what? Equal 2yc minus y. Okay. So do I have second member? Yes. Okay. So what is xc? Yes? 1. Good. So I will have 2 times z. 1 minus c. What is x? This x is 1. Okay. So next, do I have a yc?
Yes.
Second component of the center is this is 2 times 0 minus c. Someone? Minus 3. Good. So it is 3 then minus that number 3. Okay. So who can directly tell me what will be M prime? Because this subtraction is simple to do. Okay. What are the image directly? Yes. Listen. First component 1. Second component minus 3. Right?
Yes.
Yes, that's 1 and minus 3. Okay? Okay. So, did you finish this?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I can clean here in order to put the in order to put just the second point today for the next period that we have. So now I give you time to just write down this, then we're going to move to another point. Okay? This is for the second period. Okay? So we will have more time to do exercise. Okay? Good. Second term, we are going to see among those transformations in the brain, what transformations are recorded are linear. Okay? So this is the next section. It will be linear transformation. So far, okay, you know some transformation in the brain, like one that we have seen, okay. For example, we have seen translation, we have seen rotation, we have seen one, yes. Scaling, then projection, and then reflection. Okay? So now all those transformations, there are some of them which are special transformations. So they are such that if you have a linear combination of vectors, those transformations will give you image which is a linear transformation of that linear combination. Those transformations, we call them, can you guess? Linear transformation in the brain, for example. Okay? So now they are defined as follows. Okay, so please let us look at this linear transformation. How we recognize it will be a linear transformation. If it is linear, it means that an image of a sum, it will be a sum of image. This is a vector, now this is the image. The image of this sum, it will be sum of image. And here, if you have a multiple of a vector, image of a multiple of vector, it will be a multiple of image. If this is the case, then you are going to see that this transformation F from a vector space towards another vector space, this means that image of a vector will always be a vector. That's why I call it from a vector space to another vector space. Now, it will be in the plane where the first vector space it is the plane represented by this set of couples, and also in the set of image it will be in the plane also. Okay? So now in this case, if this vector is zero vector, so its image also will be zero. Okay, that is for every linear vector. For every linear vector, this image of zero will always be equal to zero. This is true for any linear transformation. If F is linear, if it is a linear transformation. So now we are going to give some examples. Okay, we are going to choose among those transformations. We are going to choose among those transformations in the plane we have seen. Those are which ones? Translation, rotation, scaling, reflection, and projection. Now, if you remember when formula of transformation, we are going to see that for translation of vector V. Okay, so we have transformation vectors, transformation formula x plus c, x v. Okay, we have y plus c, y v. Okay, so that is one. Second, rotation. So I'm interested in formula. So of center C and angle theta. Okay? So let us see what will be transformation about the center xc, x minus xc cosine theta minus y. Okay, y minus yc, okay? Sin theta, okay? Y prime equal yc plus x minus xc sin theta plus y minus yc cosine. Is it? Yes, okay. So in this case, we are going to see some of them. Now, if image is 0, if the point is 0, okay? Is the image 0? No. Okay. Yes or no? No. Okay. In this case, translation of vector cannot be linear. Because linear transformation, because image of 0 is not 0. Okay. Now, what will I make in order this expression I see is linear in next this expression is linear in y? What can I do to make it linear? This vector should be 0. If it is 0, then this expression is linear in x. This is also linear in y. So in that case, I have that the translation of vector 0 is linear. Okay. So in this case, we have the first one, a translation of vector 0. Let me just write this one is important. This one is important. Vector v is 0. I mean, components 0, 0. This one will be linear. Okay. Next, what about the rotation? Image of 0. Think about image of 0. Is it 0? Now, if it is 0, when will it be 0? Check this. If I press here 0 and here 0, and here x is 0 and y 0. So I will be looking for image of what? Of 0. Now, is image of 0 here equals 0? Not. So what can I do in order to be equal 0? If x is equals 0, if the center is 0, what does it mean? Is the point 0? Is the origin? Okay, in this case now, if the center is the origin, now this expression in x is linear in x here, and this expression also is linear in x and y. In that case, I have also the second one will be the translation. I mean, is it translation? No, just the rotation about the origin. Okay, this will be. So this is okay. Let me put it here, and you are going also to put some formula. Okay, let me put here. Second, I take rotation about of angle, any angle about the origin. About the origin. Now maybe I will need formula of transformation in this case. And also here I want formula of transformation. Maybe I need this. What will it be for translation? It will be x plus c 0. Is it? Then here it is y plus c. 0 it is y. Those are formula. So now image and the object for which we looked for image by this translation of nil vector. Does it change the point? Is the image changed? No. For every point, if you look for image, that point will not change. How do you call this transformation. Constant transformation, or we call it identity transformation. This is identity transformation. Which does not change the point for which you are looking for image. Okay. So now next, I want to give me formulas for this rotation. Rotation about origin. What will it be? Yes?
X cosine of theta
Cosine theta minus
y sine of theta.
y sine theta.
Y
Yes? Y prime
prime
is given by
x sine of theta
x sine theta
plus
plus
y cosine.
y cosine theta. Now, is this right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, for others, we are going to see that also scaling centered also at the origin is also linear. Because what you have to have in each x, you have a linear function, and in each y prime you have also a linear function. Okay? So you have also for 3, you have scaling about the origin. Scaling transformation of center the origin. So in this case, you will have formula of transformation, you know. So what will it be? Someone? So center will be origin. Yes? Do you remember this? So, or can you remind us about M center? Yes? X primary is XC plus rho. What is rho? Ratio. Scaling ratio, okay? So scaling ratio x minus xc. Okay, good. Okay. So y prime, yc plus ratio. Okay, y minus c, yc. Very good. So now what? So this one is if I replace image of this is linear in x, okay, and it is linear in y, but image of 0 here, it won't be equal to 0 except when xc and yc is equal to 0. So that condition, we make this one not be a linear transformation. In order to be a linear transformation, this one is 0 and that one is 0. Okay, so we are going to have what? Scaling ratio times x. Okay, about y prime? Scaling ratio times y. Good. Okay, so we have examples. So you take the center and you take any ratio, could be positive, greater than 1 or less. Okay. So another example, these are examples. So 4. What else do you think? Projection. Now projection, I have projection. So this projection also it will be projection if, so you see, let us see, who can remind me those projection equations? Projection equations. So how do you find your? Yes?
X prime.
Yes? Yes? Ax plus c, by plus c over a square plus c, b square. Okay, y plus C, B squared. Okay. Now, is this function linear in x and y? Is this function linear? Is it linear in x and y? Yes? It is linear in x and y. Okay. What is it required to be linear in x and y? Do you remember? Do you remember to be linear in x or in y? What is the requirement? When do we say expression is linear in x and linear in y? If it is how many degree? Degree? Do you remember? Degree must be 1. So we see degree here in x is 1, in y is 1. Also this one is 1. So this is linear in x and y. Is this linear in x and y? Yes. Okay, in this case, this one is linear. But there is one more requirement. What about image of 0? Is it 0? Image of 0. I mean, when I press x by 0 and y, 0. Is it 0? No. When will it be equal 0? Okay, don't think about